Good morning.
I'm so sorry. The entire hotel is full. You don't know what we've been through.
My granddaughter
Not now, honey.
likes the whole slice. Hate me if you want. But that's what I do. She likes these parts, the whole slice. Oh, she's 10.
What? I talk with your cherries all the time. Well, come on, folks. Let me show you to your quarters.
I don't like doing that. I got a sharp enough knife where I'm just able to. Oh. Just like Ban Rocky. Help me.